H2KInfosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2KInfosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2KInfosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
So before starting the topics, I would like to know, do you have any queries in the topics till now we have discussed? So, okay, I feel you are not having any doubts. Navigation doubts. Are you clear with the setup screens and application screens and all? Okay, let me. Have I given any tasks to work from your end, like simple permission set, something like that? I remember lead conversion. Have I given tasks to work on it? To do a lead conversion and create a permission set and again see the converted lead. Did I ask to do it? Hello?
Yes, you asked yesterday.
Okay. Just to recap, this is the setup screen. Okay, here setup screen which is used to do changes or configurational changes in org. Whereas once we click on app launcher, use the terminologies whatever we are saying, so it shows the experience we are going to have, will be having in system. I mean in Salesforce. App launcher, we'll select the application we want to go. Sales. We'll go to the application. Now again, how to go back to setup? Click here, click on setup. Okay, now today the topic I'm going to discuss with you. So I remember yesterday we have discussed the company information, users and all. So today we'll be discussing object, how to create an object. Okay, so we know what is object now. Object, it collects it will be having a fields, different data type of fields which is used to collect the information related. For example, account is an object, by having different fields, different data types of fields, where this is used to collect information of account as a record. Okay, tomorrow you may ask question comes here, why first of all there are different objects like standard object and custom object. Standard object means system already created this object and that object is having certain purpose. created by system and it's having certain purpose. Like account, contact, leads, opportunities, those are called standard objects. Whatever you are seeing here is called standard objects. Standard object. Now, custom object or custom field, those are created by us, admin or developer, whoever it could be, for the business purpose. For example, we are working on a project. Yes, Salesforce already provided standard objects, but still we need custom objects for our business. Business could be the business need could be different needs. So for the business purpose, we need some custom objects, custom fields and all. So now how to create a custom object. So just to give overview how it will be in company while we are working in real time. So we should know, right? We should create this object, this is the relation, we should know. So all these things, before we do this, a clear analysis will be having with BA. BA will do the analysis and collectively work will be there, where we will analyze what objects are needed to be created, what relation should be there between the objects, what fields we need to create in the respective object. So that information, the documentation will be having. So they may create as a case, a simple single case stating, okay, create this object, these are the fields we need, and these are the data type of the fields we need, and name of the field, like that. So they may create it as a case, or they may create it as a user story to do this job. Okay. So now first thing, how to create an object. So we object manager. We have different options. From here we can, but before that let us do from here, create custom object. Okay, see, new custom object. So we are going to create a new object. It's a custom object. It's asking provide the name of it. Okay. So what we will say, it's just an example to know what is a custom object. I'm giving some random name. People. Here plural we are going to give. People itself is a plural. Okay. So accounts. Just you can observe the example what you are seeing. It's nothing but object name. Same people, object name. We can provide description. What is the purpose of this object? Like why we have created and all. Or if in case while you're working, if you're working for a project in real time, if they have given you the description of the object, if they said yes, you have to use the description also. Here you can provide description. Here you see context sensitive help setting. So two options we are having. One is open the standard Salesforce.com help training window, or open a window using a visual first page. So visual first page is nothing but we use a code to display something. That's a visual first page. Similarly, like HTML, how we do. So now it's saying that, okay, if you want to use the standard Salesforce.com help and training window, select this option. No need to, then it's going to show standard window of the help and training. Whereas this one, if you select this, it is asking, okay, you are asking to show a visual first page. Now which page you want me to show? Okay, visual first list of visual first pages, whatever we are having, it will be shown here. So now it's going to ask which page you want to show. Okay, generally we'll go with this, open a standard Salesforce.com help and training. If in case it is said that as per requirement, okay, we will be using a window, open a window using visual first page, and we need to say certain page. So that page will be created by developer. And now if they say that, okay, select this, and they will provide the page name, we'll select that page. That's it, like this. Okay, now I'm going with standard. And here you observe this one. So record name. people, right? As a people name, we will say the record which we are going to create. First, it will be having a one field. One field will be created as soon as we create this object. That is called with the object along with its adding a name called name. Like people is object, so people name. If it is a data type called text, okay, so that means we can provide some value. I mean, it's a text means we can provide a name characters here. Whereas there is another option called auto number. Okay, if I select auto number, it's asking the display format, how it should be displayed. You can see here what is it. If I click, it shows this one, how it should display. 1 or 001 or how many numbers before 1, something like this. Okay, now we are going to select text only for now. I will explain again auto number. I'm saying text. It's going to show us people name is the field name. Now, optional features. Allow reports. If I select this on this custom object, we can create reports. If I select this, okay. If not, we can't create reports. And allow activities. So if say allow activities, we can create activities also. What is activities? I will explain later. Okay. Track field history. Allow charter groups. I will explain all this again. So we are saying that we are providing these features to can be created on this object. Search. This is also important. So what is the purpose of this? Means we'll be creating records in this object, right? Later. So if you want to search that, I mean, if you search a record with the record name, it should be displayed in the search results. For that, if you allow this, then only we can get the results. Okay. Now, add notes and attachments related list to default page layout. Okay. Now, if I enable this, add notes and attachments, a related list called notes and attachments. We can create a note or we can add an attachment to the respective record of this object. If we select this option, okay. Now here, if you see this one, launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. If I click this and save, it's going to redirect to a tabs page where we have to select a tab for this object so that it will be displayed here. It will be displayed like this. If I select tab, say launch, I am saying save. It went to tabs. Okay. Now it's asking, okay, your object is people. Which tab style you want? Click here. You will get different tab styles. Okay. These are system predefined. If we want to create a tab style, you can click create your own style. What color, what you want, we can select. What image we want here, we can select. I have selected a style. Just for example, I took this. It comes like, okay. Here nothing we did. I have selected tabs by creating object. It came to this page. Here, what object you have done? So we have selected that object, created. We have selected that object, and tab style. It said whatever we want, we can select. So I have how to create. I have shown you, right? Create your own style. We can select the color and we can select the image you want. And this image actually it should be available in system. In documents we'll be creating. I'll show later how to create in documents and all. In documents, it's a tab, standard tab. There we'll be creating the image and we'll be providing the name to it. On next. So now this tab, okay, we are creating a tab for this object, agreed. Now it is saying, do we need to add it to all the profiles? So we have different objects. Apply one tab visibility to all profiles. So all the profiles, it should